Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of electronics manufacturing. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey through the PCB, printed circuit board, manufacturing process, from design to assembly. So, let's dive right in. The first step in the PCB manufacturing process is the design phase. Highly skilled engineers use specialized software to create the PCB layout, defining the placement of components and the paths for electrical connections. Once the design is finalized, the next step is selecting the appropriate materials for the PCB. The choice of substrate material, copper thickness, and solder mask all depend on the specific requirements of the circuit. The inner layer production involves laminating multiple layers of copper foil with the substrate material. This forms the core of the PCB, creating the conductive pathways for the electrical signals to flow. In the outer layer production, a photosensitive material called resist is applied to the surfaces. Using the PCB design as a guide, ultraviolet light is projected onto the panels, curing the resist and creating the desired circuit pattern. Next, precision drilling machines create holes in the PCB for component mounting and electrical connections. These holes are then plated with a conductive material, such as copper, to ensure proper conductivity throughout the board. The solder mask is applied to the PCB's surface to protect the copper traces and prevent accidental short circuits during assembly. Now comes the exciting part, component placement. Automated pick-and-place machines precisely position the electrical components onto the PCB, guided by the design files. To summarize, we've explored the PCB manufacturing process, from design to assembly. It involves PCB layout design, selection of materials, inner and outer layer production, drilling and plating, solder mask application, and component placement.